Hello friends, I'm Dustin. Thanks for joining us on SERVi Homestead again. We really appreciate your commitment and faithfulness to watching this channel. We hope we're providing you with some entertaining and helpful content, so please subscribe. Today we are going to look at a simple carburetor on a push mower engine. In this case it's a Briggs Stratton engine, very common. We're going to take the carburetor off, take it apart and clean it to show you what you can do to get your lawnmower running again. Flathead.